Well, hi Bhaiya ji. On behalf of the entire Handa Khandan and their counterparts, we wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hey, hi, Papa. Wishing you a very, very happy 50th birthday.
50th नहीं है 60th बर्थडे पापा का।
60th?
हाँ जी।
लगता नहीं है। लुक एट द एनर्जी। मुझे अभी भी याद है जब जब मैं खुश हुआ हूँ तब तक आप बहुत दुखी हो। एक बार आपने मुझे राम भरोसे रॉकेट लेके दिया था और वो रॉकेट मेरे रूम में चला दिया और आपका पर्दा चल गया।
और वो याद है क्या जब पापा ने जो बाइक ली थी और मैंने अगले दिन ही एक्सीडेंट कर दिया।
अरे अभी की तो बात है जब मैं स्कॉडा लेके गया था और
वैसे पापा आपके बारे में लोग बहुत कुछ अच्छा बोलते हैं और आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट वी आर रियली लकी एंड ब्लेस्ड दैट वी हैव यू इन आवर लाइफ। यू आर द बेस्ट फादर एनीवन कैन हैव। समटाइम्स आई डू बिलीव दैट आप मुझे अक्षय अग्रहण से ज्यादा प्यार करते हो एंड ये दोनों बहुत जेलस भी है। लेट इट बी। पापा प्लीज कम बैक सून एंड वी रियली मिस यू एंड लेट्स एंजॉय।
Yes, and let's have a party. We can't wait to spend another 60 years with you.
Yes, and we are waiting for some 60 mls to have with you. Cheers.
Cheers. Love you.
Well, hi Bhaiya ji. Well, wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday. And I say this with loads of love and happiness. You know something, Mummy used to always say, she used to address you as Mera Syana Putra. And Bhaiya ji, you really have proved it. You have shown to the world that when the world is moving from emotions to e-commerce, you are the one who has redefined the whole thing for love, care and happiness. You are indeed like a god to us. You are the reason for our smile, and we will always have a very high regard for you. We love you, Bhaiya ji. We wish you to have a very happy birthday where you enjoy your most and enjoy every moment. Love you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम भैया जी। आपकी 60वीं सालगिरह पर आपको तहे दिल से मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। आपने जितनी प्यार और मोहब्बत हम सबको दी है वो बेमिसाल है और खुदा ताउम्र से बरकरार रखे। खुदा आपकी उम्र दराज करे। अल्लाह हाफिज़। लव यू ऑलवेज भैया जी।
Hi, Bade Papa. We love you so much and wish you a very, very happy birthday and lots of love.
Happy birthday, Nane. You being the hot favorite of all the elders and all the youngsters. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself and waiting to see you soon in Mumbai.
We want to have a big Taj party.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! You have been always been an inspiration to us. I'm looking forward to see you personally, and we miss you a lot. Enjoy your day.
Hi Mamu, wish you a many happy returns of the day.
Hi, Mamu. Wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday. We hope you have a great day ahead and hope to meet you all very soon.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Bade Papa.
Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the happiness in life. All the best.
Bye, Uncle. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi नन्हे। So this is it 60 big 60 कैसे हो गए ना 60 साल के। समझ में ही नहीं आया टाइम कहाँ उड़ गया। So anyway all of us are following you. Happy birthday, enjoy yourself. बाहर को भी बहुत शुभकामनाएं। तुम दोनों का जीवन हमेशा खुशियों से भरा रहे। Enjoy yourself. Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.
Hello Vivek Bhaiya, wish you many returns on your 60th birthday. May the bright colors of our good wishes paint your life with lots of happiness forever. Bas, God bless you always, my dear friend. Keep yourself healthy and happy. Thank you.
Hi, Nana.
Hi,
Happy
Nana.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Nana.
Happy 60th. We miss you guys. We hope you are enjoying and having a great day. And let's celebrate. Here's to you.
It's not about the years in your life, but the life in your years. And you're doing it well. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nande. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday, Nande.
60?
हाँ.
अभी तो 16 का हुआ था, मॉडल टाउन गया था मैं इसको हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलने.
You still remember?
तू साल नहीं. God bless you.
God bless you, Nande, with a very happy and healthy long life.
Take care. Don't go out much.
हाँ. Stay
Okay?
safe.
We remember you. We love you.
We love you.
Hi Vivek, welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama ji. Take
I
care.
still recall the days when you had relocated to Mumbai and you used to lie down on that maroon sofa and I used to eat that fried bread which never went well with you. And of course, our Sachin Tendulkar Pinky सारी खिड़कियां तोड़ देती थी और फिर हम सबको भागना पड़ता था वहां से. Truly, Nanne, I must tell you, I'm really proud of all that you have accomplished in your life. I will continue to wish you the best, and I know you will continue with many more success and reach for the stars. I strongly believe, Bhayaji, that sisters and brothers are never apart. Maybe in distance, but never from hearts. Wish you a very happy birthday and may God bless you with abundant happiness and blessings. Mama, Nanne ko wish karo. बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे नन्हे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे नन्हे. नन्हे का बता.